At the break of dawn, the bougainvillea awakens, its silhouette etched against the first light. As the sun rises, magenta bracts ignite. Not mere petals, but living flames of color. Each whisper of bloom draws us closer, inviting us into a world where nature's grandeur is captured in miniature form. Bathed in golden light, the bonsai breathes, each blossom a quiet flame of dawn. Magenta whispers stir the air, delicate bracts swaying like poetry in motion. Rooted in stillness, blossoms cascade, a living sculpture framed by serenity. From sprawling vines in the tropics, the bougainvillea is reborn, a miniature echo of grandeur. Its roots trace back to South America, blossoms merging with culture, history, and living art. A bonsai of passion and resilience, each bloom a page written in light and color. From untamed beauty to crafted harmony, nature and art entwine in quiet balance. The aged bark tells stories of time, while roots spread with quiet strength beneath the surface. Curves shaped with care, blossoms accentuate each line, structure and beauty intertwined. Magenta bracts cradle delicate red blooms, glowing under sunlight like jewels of resilience. Every angle reveals harmony, trunk, foliage, and blossoms balanced in living sculpture. Styled in informal, upright grace, the bougainvillea rises naturally, blossoms arranged as if guided by the wind itself. In cascade form, blooms flow downward like a waterfall of color, a dramatic composition that captures movement and depth. Twin trunks stand together, one strong, one gentle, symbolizing harmony, balance, and the quiet dialogue of nature. Across forms and silhouettes, each style glows against shadow, a gallery of bougainvillea artistry revealed in living light. With gentle hands, the artist tends the bougainvillea, pruning, watering, guiding each branch with patience. In every touch lies devotion. With precise hands, branches are pruned, blossoms drift gently to the earth, care expressed in silence. Each stem is guided with patience, wired into graceful curves, shaping structure while preserving serenity. A gentle stream nourishes the roots, soil glistening as sunlight embraces the bonsai's living core. Balanced care continues. Fertilizer enriches. Leaves trimmed with devotion. Artistry sustained through mindful practice. Tiny buds emerge with quiet anticipation. Each moment a promise of color waiting to unfold. Nature's patient rhythm revealed. Magenta bracts unfurl in slow motion, blossoms opening like a cinematic revelation, flooding the bonsai with radiant life. At the height of its glory, the Bougainvillea glows with vibrant flowers, a living masterpiece at its peak. As petals drift away, beauty softens into renewal. The cycle of bloom and fading, eternal and poetic. From the vastness of nature's Bougainvillea, we return to its bracts, radiant fragments of passion distilled into miniature form. In full bloom, the bonsai rests upon its wooden stage, a living testament to patience, artistry, and devotion. As the sun descends, the bonsai fades into silhouette, a quiet reminder that beauty is fleeting yet eternal in memory. In stillness, the Bougainvillea whispers its final note, a meditative ending where silence becomes poetry. In stillness, the Bougainvillea's silhouette lingers, a poetic ending. Subscribe and join us as we continue this flowering bonsai journey.